Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Supabase to Bolt.new step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to both your Bolt.new and Supabase accounts. If you don't have a Supabase project yet, create one before continuing. Next, open your project in Bolt.new, go to the Settings or Integration section, and look for the Supabase option. Depending on your version of Bolt.new, you may see a dedicated Supabase button or an option to connect a Supabase project. Click it and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. If you're asked to sign into Supabase, select your account and allow Bolt.new to access your Supabase projects. Once the authorization is complete, choose the Supabase project you want to connect and wait a few moments while Bolt.new links the project. After the connection is successful, your Bolt.new app can use Supabase features such as databases, authentication, storage, and other backend services. To make sure everything is working correctly, test the connection by creating a simple feature that reads data from or writes data to your Supabase database. If the test works successfully, your Bolt.new project is now connected to Supabase and ready for development. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Supabase to Bolt.new. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more useful tutorials, and thanks for watching.